Hey, it's Lisa. Let's talk about the shiny object syndrome. We've all been there. We had a great idea, and then we listened to a webinar, and that gave us another great idea. And then we're talking to a friend, and there comes another great idea. And all of a sudden, we have all these exciting projects that we can work on, and our brain starts spinning. Should we try them all? Which one should we do first? And nothing happens, or everything happens, which means that nothing happens. So here's how you can start to prioritize those projects. Use a rubric. Go ahead and rank on a scale of 1 to 5 and look at criteria such as how long would this take to finish? What type of resources are needed? What impact could this potentially have on your business? How excited are you to do the project? Create your list, rank all the projects, add up your numbers, and then make your decision based on the data. Now, keep in mind, the one that ranks the highest, you may look at it and be like, I don't know that I'm super excited about that. That's okay. Nothing is tying you to the results of ranking things amongst a rubric. What it's helping you to do is clarify your thoughts so you know which project to take into implementation next. If you're wondering, how can you create your rubric? How can you start to figure out which projects are the best to impact your business? Then let's have a conversation. Working with a time management coach may be your next best option to making the most of your time.